Hello, my name is Angela Maritza Gomez Correa. I am from Malaga, Santander, and a student psychology. Introduction of the place. Paipa is a municipality located in the department of Boyacá. It is located in the center east of Colombia. Paipa is a municipality with a warm climate with beautiful place to enjoy. Paipa is the sixth most inhabited municipality in the municipality of Boyacá. There we find the monuments to the six lancers, among other monuments. One of the most tourist places, others recognized and visited in the beautiful municipality in the Vargas reservoirs and pools with thermal waters on the other. Paipa is characterized in the typical food zones and almohavana, gazap, breads and other things for which we recommend you to visit this beautiful municipality and enjoy its wonders. Duration on the trip. The tour to Paipa Boyacá, the short duration vacations will last 3 days and 2 nights. Means of transport. During this trip and stay in the municipality of Paipa Boyacá, we will be using means of transport such as bus, boat, and motorcycle. Activities to do. Tourists during this trip will be able to take a tour of the municipality, get to know its beaches and urban area, as will take a fun boat ride on Lake Sochagota, enjoy the night and the disco, jet to know the monuments, skiing, falls, that's the delicious meals. Place to stay. The accommodation will be at the Paipa Star Hotel, which is most recognized in the municipality and hotel with its visitors, and this hotel is located on the shore of Lake Sochagota as spectacular with restaurants, TV, Wi-Fi, jacuzzi, tubs, spa, and much more. Typical foods. The meals that and style will be delicious soups such as the with sancoch, curd soup with veal spice, and chilled the dried the mood delicious style, barbecue, wings break, chink, orange, thyme, the delicious almohavana breeds of the yuca, and much more, and different drinks such and chicha masato, intoxicants, drinks, and much more. Thank you very much.